All right, I'm going to walk you through this ebook resource. And this resource will help you to access the books that you'll be using for your Explorer project. You'll be using this resource twice, once to pick your Explorer and the second time to view the resource that you'll use to research your Explorer. Going down on my first column here, we have a list of Explorers. You are able to pick any one of them. This one has 4 explorers. This book would have 4 explorers. I'm going to pick Captain Cook. I used to live in Alaska, and so I'm going to pick Captain Cook, who used to go to Alaska. We have our title column in the second row, giving us the title of the book, and we have a link in the third one. So I'm going to go over Captain Cook, I'm going to pick my book, and here I can see the link. It's going to open up into a new website. And this website is BiblioBoard. Biblio is another word to say book. It's this EbooksMN for schools. You are going to log in, and the way that you do that is by clicking Create Yours Now. You'll create a profile. We'll do this using your St. Peter address. You'll see that it kind of fills you out all the way. Now, I already have a profile, so I'm going to go through and I'm going to click this button because it's going to log me all the way in using one. And here's my Captain Cook book. On the side here, you can see I just clicked Read This. And now, just like a normal book, I can scroll. Here you can use some page turners. I'm going to look all the way down and I'm going to examine the book. Whoa, they sure look happy in this picture. And this is the resource that you'll be using for your Explorer project if you pick Captain Cook. Then we'll kind of log out there, and that brings us back towards our section. Pretty exciting. Can't wait to see what you pick. Now, this is a new platform, this eBooks Minnesota. So some of us might take a moment just to look through, and you'll be able to see now when you sign in. I'm going to log in. That's my St. Peter address, and I just use the same password as my email. You'll be able to search through. You can look for any of the topics. We're going to use Explorers to start, but later on you can use any of your own topics. Here you'll see all of the books, the Explorer books that I have. You can go through, and these are all linked in that document for you to read. When you find your book, you'll just type in Read This, and your book opens up, and you'll see that it started right where I left off. I'm super excited for you to see this resource. I think you'll really enjoy it, and this will be a huge benefit for you doing your Explorer project.